All right.
Ready?
So, wait a minute. Let me give a quick explanation of what we're doing here. Reminder. What we're doing is we're checking state of charge on the battery, crank and voltage, and we're seeing how much amperage the starter is going to draw during this test. 15 seconds. The spec is 9.6 volts. That's what you need to remember. 15 seconds. The spec is 9.6 volts. Now, let me just make mention one more thing. Over here, what we got is we got the starter relay pulled. So we're activating the starter directly. We're not using the key. So that saves us a bunch of time.
This is the starter relay?
Right. That's the starter relay. How do we know that that's the starter relay? Because when you look at the box, okay, look at what it says there. It says starter. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's how we know that that's the starter relay. Okay? And we're going to activate the starter direct, and that's how we're able to, bypass ignition and fuel. All right, so go ahead, Wilbur. Activate it.
Start counting.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. So he did good. The voltage stayed up 10.9, I think it was. Okay. Volts during the cranking. He has good cranking voltage. And I think the starter was pulling like around 130.
That's pretty good.
So that's pretty good. That's what it should be. All right?
120, 130, isn't it?
Exactly.
Above, and above?
Exactly.
If it goes above 30 or 40, what happens?
If let's say that the spec is 130, okay, and you get 200,
right?
What does that tell you about the resistance in the circuit? Remember Ohm's law. Current is based on resistance.
Yeah.
Okay.
High voltage.
The higher the resistance, if voltage stays the same, the higher the resistance, what happens to current? Goes down.
Goes down.
Vice versa. If resistance goes down, what happens to current?
Current
Goes up. So if the spec says 130 and we're getting 200, what could we say about the resistance? High or low?
Low. It's low.
It's low. Okay. So now you begin to think about what could cause low resistance. Short the ground.
Okay. What if it's below 100? What happened? That means that the
if it's below 100, what can we say about the resistance?
It's
low or high?
It's high.
It's high resistance. Okay. So being that it's high resistance, now we can say that's the cause of the problem. We need to find out where the high resistance is located. Okay. Now we don't have all the details, but we got the principles. That's the principles
low
right there.
It's high resistance. Okay.
Right.
When it's lower. Okay. High
Okay.
Kind of.
So
I
no.
have to encode that, man.
But it'll happen. It'll happen.
Yeah.
It'll happen. They made a song about it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll teach you the song.
All right.
All right.
I'd like to hear it.
All right. I'm